What if ancient civilizations knew far more about engineering than history has led us to believe?
Across the ancient world, discoveries continue to reveal technologies that were far more sophisticated than we might expect.
One of the most remarkable examples is hidden inside the concrete structures of the Roman world. Some Roman concrete structures have survived for nearly 2,000 years, even while facing harsh weather and seawater. So what made this ancient building material so unusually durable?
Researchers now know that volcanic materials played a crucial role in the chemistry of Roman concrete, especially in structures exposed to seawater.
But calling it an ancient version of modern concrete would be misleading. Their material was designed differently, for a different world and different engineering needs.
But ancient engineering was not limited to buildings. Another extraordinary technology emerged from the world of ancient metalworkers.
This was Damascus steel, a legendary form of high-quality steel known for its strength, durability, and distinctive patterns.
Remarkable patternable patterns were not simply decoration. They were connected to the complex structure created within the steel during its production. Modern analysis has revealed microscopic structures within this ancient steel that help explain its unusual properties. Yet the exact historical methods used to produce some famous forms of Damascus steel were not preserved in complete detail.
And then comes a technology whose secret was deliberately protected, a weapon known as Greek fire. Historical records describe it as a terrifying incendiary weapon, especially feared during naval battles.
Its ingredients and preparation were kept secret, and when the knowledge disappeared, the original formula disappeared with it.
For centuries, historians have tried to reconstruct what Greek fire was actually made from, but no single recipe has been proven.
Different theories have been proposed, but the truth is that the original composition remains unknown.
Not every mysterious ancient artifact represents lost super technology. Sometimes, the mystery is simply that we do not know what an object was used for. One controversial example is the so-called Nimrud lens, an ancient piece of polished rock discovered in Iraq.
Some researchers have suggested that it may have been used for optical purposes, but its exact function remains debated.
And this is where the mystery becomes more complicated. Not every unusual artifact was necessarily designed as advanced technology.
Another mysterious object comes from the Roman world. A small bronze artifact with 12 sides, known as a Roman dodecahedron. More than 100 of these strange objects have been discovered across parts of the former Roman Empire, yet none carries an inscription explaining its purpose.
Were they measuring instruments, tools for crafts, candle holders, or something else entirely? Archaeologists have proposed many possibilities.
But no explanation has gained enough evidence to solve the mystery once and for all. The mystery of the dodecahedron reveals something important. An artifact can survive for centuries while the knowledge of its purpose disappears completely. And that distinction matters. Some ancient technologies are well understood, while others remain only partially explained. What connects them is not proof of lost super technology, but evidence that ancient civilizations possessed practical knowledge far more sophisticated than we often imagine. The deeper we look into the archaeological record, the clearer one thing becomes. Our understanding of the ancient world is still incomplete. And somewhere beneath the ground, inside a forgotten shipwreck, or buried within an ancient ruin, the next discovery may already be waiting.